Hi guys, it's Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and we are back with another tips and tricks video. Today's featured product is Inaba Denko's SF Flexible L with end cuffs, and I'm not gonna lie, this one is a game changer. We'll cover a few of the amazing benefits of this product, as well as some of the most common applications used in the field. First thing I'd like to mention is it is available in all three sizes, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5 5/8, as well as all three colors, white, ivory, and brown. So there is an SF Flexible L for every application out there. It's important you know that because you're going to want it as soon as you finish this video. One of the key features I'd like you to mention first is if you'll notice, there's no fittings here between the SF and the SD, okay? If you look closely at the shape of the end cuff and the shape of the SD, they are identical. This end cuff is 3.5 inches long. So once you line these two up and you slide it in, that's it, you're done. That is the finished look, the finished product, okay? Most common uses for this product, number one is a long radius 90 or long radius L, okay? Second most common, I would say, is probably an overbridge application. Maybe you've got an obstacle to overcome. So you'll install your SD, run your line sets, and then once you mount those down, that's it, that's the finished look. Some are using this to overcome edges of corners of the home. It's a beautiful, beautiful finish. And growing more popular, and probably my personal favorite, because it does add an extra layer of UV protection as well as physical protection of the line set and the electrical wires, but customers are loving the finished aesthetics as well. If this is your SD coming down, you can actually take a razor blade, cut the second cuff off, and now you've got a finished, beautiful product outside the unit. You can't see the line sets, you can't see the electrical wires, and it's safe. It's fully protected. It looks amazing. So I would encourage you to check out this product and many more products at inabadenko-america.com. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And feel free to follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to keep you up to date with everything that's going on in our industry and what might be coming new in your area. See you next time.